Hello everyone. In this video, I want to share with you how to deploy a React project to GitHub in the simplest way possible. First, you need to create a repository. Next, go to your React project folder and run the command npm install GitHub Pages. Then, open your Package.json file and add these 2 lines in the script section. If you're using Vite, go to your Vite.config file and add these 2 lines in the defineConfig section. If you're not using Vite, you can skip this step. Now, create a remote for your repository by entering the following 2 commands. Finally, run the command npm run deploy. And that's it. You have successfully deployed your React project to GitHub Pages. If you want to update your website later, just run the npm run deploy command again. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video helps you successfully deploy your React project to GitHub.